In this video, you will learn how to get free credits in Higgsfield AI. Sign up for an account, create a new account on Higgsfield AI if you have not got already access to the platform so you can start earning credits. Verify your email, check your email inbox for verification links, then confirm your account to unlock the free starter credits. Complete your profile, fill out the profile information. Some platforms reward users with free credits for completing the full profile. Participate in tasks, follow any beginner tutorials or onboarding tasks, as Higgs AI Field may provide free credits for completing these different steps. Invite. Make sure to invite friends or share a referral link. Using referral program to invite friends. When they sign up using your link, you will get additional free credits. Join. During promotions or giveaways, keep an eye out for the official Higgsfield AI announcement, social media or newsletters for promotional campaigns that can grant you free credits. Now you know how to get free credits in Higgsfield AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.